Hello, boys of class 7. Welcome you on another online class of agriculture. Today we will know about the cultivation process of bamboo. So let's start today's session. Since we know that bamboo is an essential material for construction, and there is no suitable place that bamboo can't grow. That means in everywhere of Bangladesh we can cultivate bamboo. The three process of cultivation in our country, namely they are, first of all, their process name motha and offset method. That means in this process bamboo is growing from motha or offset, and for this we have to choose 1 to 3 year old motha and then collect it. At first we have to know what is motha. At the bottom of the bamboo, if we have seen the bamboo clump, it is already seen that the roots are available or visible on the bottom of the soil. On that place, motha, that is 3 to 4 nodes under the ground, is called offset. For this offset, the selected bamboo first must be fresh. In the month of Chaitra, bamboo motha is suitable for collection, because on that time, if we collect that, then we have some time for making the soil, and then in rainy season it should be planted before rainy season. It is important to plant the collected motha in a sandy bed in a temporary nursery till rainy season comes. We have to plant this in a temporary nursery, because then after growing a little bit there, we have to transplant that saplings to main field. That is why in the sandy bed, making it temporary nursery, we have to plant that offset or motha. Then within 15 to 20 days, new leaf and bud sprout out from most of the motha. The bud is then transplanted to a pit, that means to the main field, where soil should be mixed up with cow dung manure, that is, we know, organic manure, and ratio of cow dung with soil should be 1:3. Now let us see what is motha or offset are calling actually. We see the pictures here. From the roots, another node is growing on. This is called motha. Here, this is the main bamboo, and this is called motha. Here, if you want to separate, then from this main bamboo tree, you can easily separate this motha or rhizome, then plant it on a sandy bed. Okay. So that is the process called motha or offset method. Now let us learn about the second method, that is called pre-root twig grafting method. Naturally, roots develop at the bottom of many twigs. Every node there is some hairy part like some roots, but there is not root in bamboo. On that part, sometimes there grow some branches, that is called twigs, small branches of bamboo. This type of twig along with root and motha is called pre-root twig. The pre-root twig should be cut along with the root and motha from the bamboo, and we have to be careful about that age of the bamboo not more than 1 year. If it is less than 1 year, then it is very good. Then we have to cut the pre-root twig with root and motha by a saw very carefully, and this thing should be done in the month of Falgun to Ashwin. Then after collecting this pre-root twig, we have to make sure that pre-root twig should be in the size of length 1.5 length, and then transplant it straight in the deep in 7 to 10 centimeter depth nursery bed. That is temporary, obviously, because from that temporary nursery we have to transplant it to the main field. Then after planting in the nursery bed, after 1 month, tender sapling will grow. If we can give 2 to 3 times water daily, and it should be giving regular basis. If we do these things, then new sapling, tender sapling will grow, sprout out. Then these saplings must be planted in polybag soil mixed with cow dung. This is also of ratio soil 1, soil 3 and cow dung 1 portion. Keeping in, if we want, we can keep this 1 year, and then it should be transplanted into the main field in the month of Boishak Jeshta, that means before the rainy season comes. So this process, that collecting pre-root twig from the main bamboo to transplant to the main field, is known as pre-root twig grafting method. We have another method that is known as node grafting method. Actually, this method is nothing, that we have to cut the bamboos into pieces, bamboo stem into pieces, and then that from that cutting pieces, there should be following grafting method, root and other things should be grown on. For this process, we have to choose 1 to 3 year old strong bamboo. After cutting this from main bamboo, it should be sliced into node long places. That is, one node to another node, there should be one node to another node, there should be one piece. Like that, we can make one bamboo into many pieces. The slices should be planted in the temporary nursery, like earlier process, without any delay, in the month of Chaitra Boishak. That means before rainy season starts, and they should plant it in parallel position. That means one keeping distance of another node, then again another one should be like making same distance with another. If we give regular irrigation, then the node should be very fresh and uninjured. In the month of Ashar and Shravan, roots will grow in the most of the nodes. If we take care of the nodes very properly, before the rainy season is over, node along with roots should be transplanted from temporary bed to the field, because on that time the soil is stay wet, so it is very easy to put out the node along with the roots and then transplant into the main field. So this process is known as node grafting method. After that, as after planting the saplings, bamboo in the main field, there is another task of cultivation process. That means not only following the method of process, cultivation or reproduction is enough for cultivation. There is something else to do, and that is nurturing of the bamboo. So if we take proper nursing, then we can have good production of bamboo. During drought, we have to give water to the bamboo plant. The soil at the bottom of the bamboo should be loosened with a spade, because that root can get water and supply of air, which should be cleaned regularly, because if there is other unwanted plants there or grasses, then they will take the moisture and also the nutrient of the bamboo from the soil. If any tree is infected, then it should be taken out and with motha and burned down, so that other plants, other trees are not get infected. If the bamboo clamp is provided with soil, then in the month of Falgun Chaitra, new, healthy and strong bamboo can grow. In the clamp, we have, if we are able to give new soil, then the clamp, in the clamp, all the bamboos will have healthy and strong in the physical structure. After that, a bamboo takes 3 years to be matured. So, in these 3 years, old bamboo should be collected from bamboo clamp. So, this after 3 years, bamboo is suitable for collection. During bamboo planting time, bamboo should never be cut. Besides that, at a time, all matured bamboo should not cut from the clamp. That should be a bad impact on the clamp and also in production of bamboo. So boys, that is all about cultivation process of bamboo along with nurturing and collection of bamboo. So go through the lessons, and if you face any problem, let me know in the comment section. In the next lesson, next class, we'll start another topic from this chapter. Okay boys, so today after this, bye.